I got a man now, I heard you a fan now. I will, no, even if I got a man now, I heard you a fan now. Oh, this is pretty. Y'all, I've just been so shocked by these units lately because I have not been knowing what to expect, okay? So, this is, again, her hair company hair. This is the Eurasian Blonde 613. And before, it was 20 inches. Now it is maybe 10, 8, 10. Longest being maybe 12. But I don't even think it hit 12 inches. I cut it up, dyed it, and yet I love the result. Now, this is the color hair that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I did it before, but the hair I did it on was trash, so I never reviewed it. But this hair right here took the color beautifully, y'all, beautifully. So I don't even need to really do too much talking. I'm just going to show you guys what I did to achieve this look. Overall, I will share my thoughts with you overall. This company definitely gets an A++++. The hair, this kind of hair, the Eurasian Blonde 613, may be more on the pricier side, but it's so worth it because I feel like this is some hair that's gonna last me a really long time. I know y'all used to me doing like the Remy virgin hair videos, but this is like some real virgin hair, and it's just really freaking nice. I had absolutely no problems with it, besides the fact that I thought I needed more bundles up, well, not bundles, but about 2 more tracks up top. That's the only thing, and that was probably on my part. So other than that, this hair turned out beautifully. It colored beautifully, flawlessly. So yeah, all I used in the video, I'll tell you as I'm going along when I do the actual tutorial, but I'm going to tell you right now, I used the Taiki or Taishi, I don't really know how to pronounce it, clippers, a regular old comb. I used number 168 Emerald by Adore, and that's their hair color. And then I used their off black, I can't quite remember the name, but I do show you in the tutorial. Some clips and some VO5 conditioner, which you can find at your dollar store, and some Tresemme heat protectant, and my Remington, I think, flat iron, and my Taishi blow dryer. They're just like beauty supply store tools, so it's nothing, you know, fancy that people be using all on hair. So a little disclaimer, y'all know I'm not a professional. Originally I wanted it to be like a blunt cut. It turned out and it was an angled cut, and I was like, what the hell? Whatever, it still turned out cute. The part still looks good. Everything just looks good. I went with the black in the roots and then the emerald on the hair. So enough of me talking. Let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to show you from start to finish the cut, the color, and the flat iron, the blow dry, all of that. So thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you, Her Hair Company, because this is some bomb ass hair. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Hello, so I am going to make this bob unit. I have on my gloves already because I forgot I had to actually cut the unit first. So usually I would just cut it first and then put my gloves on. But all you're going to need is a pair of scissors, clippers, a comb, the unit that you want to cut and customize, the hair dye if you already have the blonde hair. If not, you might need some bleach and some, I can't even think of it, developer. So I'm just combing this out right now. I'm just showing the bottom because I'm about to put it in a ponytail and cut it. Once I cut it, I'll get up closer. So this unit is pretty long on me, comes below my breast. So I'm gonna cut it pretty much up here at shoulder length. And I'm gonna take, this is really thick, so I'm gonna take half the ponytail. And I have a sheet down because I am working in a room with carpet. So now you take the ponytail out, you have a shortcut. And it kind of almost creates the shape for you if you want to have it shorter in the back than the front. And this is just some, I guess, Taish or Taiki clippers. Pretty inexpensive at my beauty supply store. If you got some more fancy ones, that's cool too. Off black, and this is just going to be for the roots. I always use the door colors, so this is 118 off black. Then I'll also be using 168 emerald. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of black and start to color the roots. If you don't want to do black, you can always do a darker green or blue emerald, whatever this color wants to be. Then I'm gonna do the emerald. I'm gonna make sure I blend it with that black. I'm gonna take a plastic shower cap and that's it for tonight. I think this color processes within 30 minutes to an hour or a couple hours, but I like to let mine sit overnight to ensure the best color ever.